Hi, Scott with Home Perfect Restoration. This video is going out to property managers. We are going to be hosting an event at the Temecula Chamber of Commerce on March 24th from 11 to 1. Come have lunch with us. We want to talk about how we can help with all your pain points. The number one thing right now is all these grow houses that are coming up everywhere throughout Riverside County. We want to talk about what you need to do when you come across that, how it needs to be taken care of to protect home values, to protect your liability, to protect the tenants that are coming in, their health and safety. We are specializing in this. We've done so many of them, and we're getting calls on a weekly basis for more that are popping up. We could talk about mold-related problems, what you do and how you handle those calls, how you respond to them. We want to talk about asbestos testing and the new regulations as it relates to testing. We'll talk about water damage, fire and smoke damage, and we could even talk about carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, whatever you guys want to focus on that is a struggle for you, that we can be a resource and a solution. That's what we want to talk about. So it's only going to be reserved for 40 people. Please RSVP right away. And like I said, come have lunch with us and let's help you guys.